Hello traders, today I decided to make a video about how I create an expert advisor for MetaTrader 5 using Claude AI. After a few hours I wrote a script for a range breakout expert advisor. So here you can see the prompt. This is the prompt that I adjust to be as clear as possible for the Claude AI. I copy this prompt and paste to Claude AI. I tell him that I want to create an expert advisor for MetaTrader 5 based on these rules. Now I paste the whole prompt and Claude AI start to create an expert advisor. As you can see, I'm using the free version of Claude AI. For occasional programming, this is more than enough. Of course, there are some limits, but it is still enough to generate an expert advisor like this. This takes some time, so I will speed it up a little so we do not have to wait too long. Sometimes it can take 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, now I have full code and it looks pretty good based on the rules I give it. So now I will copy this code and go to my MetaTrader, and I will open Meta Editor and I create a new expert advisor and I will name it Range Breakout EA. Okay, next. Now I paste the whole code here and I click compile. As you can see, there are no errors. It looks very good, so let's test it. I open strategy tester and start visual mode. I will test it on US30 because I like trading indices. I adjust the inputs, so I set time when it should place order. I set it to 15 o'clock and I set to close to 23 o'clock to close all trades and also all pending orders. I want to use last 5 candles for the breakout range. So I also set the pending order offset. I also set the trailing stop because I like trailing stop. I don't like leaving money on the table. I want a maximum of 2 trades per day, 1 buy and 1 sell. I want to trade from Monday to Friday, and here we can also see the dashboard, so let's test it. Okay, so expert advisor working and we have nice range. I can see the dashboard. I see buy stop and sell stop, also stop loss. So everything works in visual mode. So I also see the countdown for the next entry. For the first try, this is very good results. I can slow down so I can clearly see when the next trade happens. I focus on the countdown so I can watch it better. Okay, great. So I see the buy stop order above the zone and sell stop order below the zone. The zone is highlighted and I see stop losses. I do not use take profit because I use trailing stop loss. Okay, trade is triggered and trailing stop loss activates very fast because I set a small trailing stop. Okay, I can see equity curve working nicely. Balance curve also looks good, so I'm satisfied with these results. Okay, now I will run bigger backtest without visual mode, because visual mode is very slow. It has to process a lot of data, so I will turn it off. And let's see backtest for last 3 years. I will speed it up so we do not have to wait too long. Even this test takes more than 10 minutes. This is how it looks. Of course, it can be improved. I just used the first settings that came to my mind, which I normally trade. And I think this looks quite solid. So the equity curve looks good. Okay, so test is finished. Let's look at the results. Okay, we have about 23% profit with very low drawdown, only 3.16%, and profit factor is 1.66, which is very nice. Biggest winning trade is 1747, and biggest losing trade is smaller than the biggest winning trade, so this is perfect. We have 889 trades, and winning trade is over 60%, which is a very good number. So we can see that Claude AI generates a very nice expert advisor. Of course, you can change it, settings, you can play with it and optimize it. I did this test without any optimization, so nothing here is optimized. It works very well, and equity curve is solid, as you can see. I just use the settings that I normally trade and run the test. For those of you who are interested, the download link for this expert advisor will be below this video. You can experiment with it, you can test it and modify it. Please test it on demo account first and see the results for yourself. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please give me a like or comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.